What if a giant asteroid, the size of a small mountain, zipped past us? And instead of missing Earth, it was deflected toward us? Imagine the sky lighting up, sensors going alarm red, and the entire world watching the space rock headed our way because someone nudged it. First, let's set the scene. In space, the cosmic billiards table is real. Objects big and small drift through, sometimes narrowly avoiding our planet. Our scientists keep constant watch. On a mission like DART, humanity actually crashed a spacecraft into an asteroid moonlet and changed its orbit for the first time. It proved we can alter the path of a space object. But what if that deflection went wrong or was intentionally misused, and our planet found itself on the receiving end of that nudge? Let's step through how this might play out. Picture an asteroid detected far out in space. We calculate its path. It's moving away from Earth. But something intervenes, maybe a misaimed mission or deliberate deflection, and its trajectory shifts. The asteroid, now on a collision course, gives us years or maybe months of warning. Monitoring systems pick it up. Radar tracks it. Astronomers worldwide raise the alarm. With time still on our side, governments convene. They try to figure out how to intercept it, or perhaps we realize too late that the deflection has already put the rock on a dangerous path. Short term, the asteroid approaches. The skies get brighter as it enters our orbital neighborhood. Satellites may register its passage. Emergency services go on standby. Panic ripples. As it enters Earth's atmosphere, depending on its size and speed, it could airburst or strike the surface. A direct hit by something tens or hundreds of meters across could flatten cities, trigger tsunamis if over water, and send shockwaves across continents. Medium term, once the dust settles, infrastructure is damaged, lives are lost, and the economic cost is enormous. The ripple effects, refugees, supply chain collapse, and climate effects from dust and debris begin to unfold. Long term, if the asteroid is big enough, perhaps a kilometer across or more, then we could face global consequences, atmospheric cooling, crop failures, and years of reduced sunlight. A smaller scale version of the event that wiped out the dinosaurs. But in our scenario, the deflection was the cause. That means there's a twist of intent or error built in. Maybe the mission was meant to divert it away, but a miscalculation sent it toward us. Scientists warn that deflection isn't foolproof. If you hit the wrong spot, the asteroid might fragment or miss Earth this time only to return later through a gravitational keyhole. Also, composition matters. A solid rock behaves differently from a rubble pile asteroid. Deflecting a fragmenting body could create many smaller threats instead of one big one. So the takeaway: the power to change an asteroid's path is real, but with great power comes great risk. In our Deflected Toward Us plot, we discovered that the line between heroism and catastrophe is incredibly thin. And the emotional angle. We look up at the night sky and realize our fate is tied not only to these cosmic objects, but to our own decisions. The universe isn't just out there. We're part of its delicate balance. The twist is haunting. In trying to protect ourselves, we might become the architects of our own danger. The very technology meant to safeguard Earth could, if misused, deliver a new threat. Yet hope remains. Monitoring systems, international cooperation, and tested deflection techniques are improving. We're not helpless. The story isn't just doom. It's also about learning, precision, and responsibility. If we can detect early, choose the right method, kinetic impactor, gravity tractor, maybe even future laser systems, and act with precision, we can keep our planet safe. But if we rush, act without full knowledge, or let politics interfere, we could unwittingly steer disaster toward ourselves. That's a sobering thought. So what should you take away from this scenario? That we live in a fragile balance. Our vigilance, our science, and our cooperation matter just as much as the rocks in space. The night sky holds wonders and dangers. We must stay curious, stay informed, and stay prepared. Because sometimes the greatest threats are the ones we create ourselves. If this scenario made you think, if the idea of a deflection gone wrong gave you pause, then please hit like, subscribe to FutureQuest, and join us for more deep dives into our cosmic neighborhood. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay alert, because the future belongs to those who prepare.